Grouse, Stump, head of our science department here at Hill Murray. Welcome. We would love you to come and be part of our Hill Murray community as well as our Hill Murray Science Department. This is my 41st year here at Hill Murray. I am very committed to our community, and that's what Hill Murray is for me. It's all about community, family, supporting each other through the good times, the bad times, the trying times, and the triumphant times. And so I feel like I am very blessed to be a part of this faculty and staff, and I would love to teach you someday in honors bio or anatomy and physiology. Science in our building is all about gadgets and gadgets and fun things. We make models, we dissect. Over here, we use microscopes, we have physics, we have density, we have all kinds of fun toys. So we have required courses that students need to take, and we have electives that students can take. So if you are coming in as a middle schooler, we require 6th grade science, which is called Science and Engineering. It is curriculum out of the Smithsonian Science Education, and it's split into basic physics and basic chemistry properties of matter. When you go into 7th grade, we offer and require a full year of life science. Life science is kind of like the beginning of biology. They use the scientific method throughout the year, solving problems, analyzing problems, setting up experiments. Actually, right now, they just took caterpillars and they morphed into chrysalis, and they're going to morph into butterflies. So that's kind of exciting. For our 7th graders, we offer an experience in the fall called Deep Portage Environmental Camp. It's up north, and they go for 3 days with their classmates, and they have guided different classes. So it's a social thing as well as an academic thing. They also will do a science fair project for the first semester using the scientific method and something living of their choice. 8th grade, we require a full year of science. It is called Earth and Space Science. It's all about studying rocks and minerals, the Earth's surface, the atmosphere, the hydrosphere, plate tectonics, volcanoes, earthquakes, how human beings impact that environment. They will do a capstone project at the end of the school year, also involving the scientific method. And this year, new to our curriculum, unfortunately, won't be going because of COVID right now, but they were going to go to the Grand Canyon to do a hands-on research learning experience about the geography of that area. When you come into high school, we require 9th grade physical science, which is like a basic chemistry a semester, physics a semester. Everyone is in the same level. Hands-on experimentation, activities, group projects. Then when we go into 10th grade, we have biology. We have an honors biology and a regular biology. Usually your grades and your effort and your teamwork will dictate whether you're invited to be in honors biology. That is a requirement. Beyond that, everything is open as electives. We do require 3 years of science in the high school. So 1 year of physical science, 1 year of bio, and 1 year of other. We offer chemistry at the regular and honors. We offer physics at the regular and honors, and our honors is college and the schools where you get credit at the U of M. We offer anatomy and physiology at the advanced level, and again, the college honors level, so you can get credit at the University of Minnesota. We have a semester of biotechnology and a semester of 3D design and electricity and DC circuits. We are a staff of brand new teachers, all the way to 41 years of teaching. We are passionate about what we do. We love what we do. We work collaboratively. And so for us, we want our students to work collaboratively. So I would love you to come. I would love to challenge your neurons to be a good scientist at Hill Murray.